Set your calendars, as Samsung's Unpacked event for the new Galaxy Note 9 has already been teased. This year's iPhones might get cheaper than we expected, but they're still expensive. And if you're in the United States, it seems you can still get the Oppo Find X. I'm Jaime Rivera. I always wanted to see Germany play a game in the World Cup in Germany. Yesterday was sad, but Frankfurt has been great. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with Sony. For those of you that are in the market for a Sony Xperia, well, you know that the XZ2 Premium was just very silently announced. It brings dual cameras in addition to a 4K display, and pretty much all the bells and whistles of a typical premium flagship as we've seen in the past. Yeah, it's going to be in Best Buy very soon, but the most interesting part is the price tag, $1,000. At a time when Sony is actually even pulling out of certain markets, I'm not exactly sure this is a good product to consider, but obviously whenever we get a device for review, we'll let you know. Other interesting news have to do with Oppo, as the company teased that we were going to see the Find X being launched in North America, no specifics, in Europe, and now we've got sources claiming that it's not going to launch in the United States. Apparently the company is not ready to deal with the market, and we get it. You know, it's even taken OnePlus a while for that to happen. So for those of you that want to get your hands on that phone, I am one of them. Apparently eBay is going to be your choice. You can learn more about it in the description. Now let's talk about Nokia, as for those of you that have been wondering when we're getting that flagship Nokia 9 that's been rumored, it seems that it will be launched at IFA. Set your calendars, it's happening late August, early September. Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, in addition to all the bells and whistles. The only interesting part is that, well, in addition to an in-display fingerprint scanner, apparently the OLED brought by this phone is going to be made by LG. So that could probably bring some concerns. Now let's talk about iPhones, as we've talked about price tags yesterday for the iPhone X. Now we've got Morgan Stanley chiming in, and it seems that there will be changes. Apparently the iPhone X regular size, which is the one that we currently have, the 2018 version is going to be $100 cheaper, $899. It seems that the Plus variant is going to be the device that is now going to be costing $999. And that LCD iPhone, according to them, is going to oscillate between $660 and $700. But then we've also got Ming-Chi Kuo separately reconfirming that the device is going to be less expensive than $600, which is crazy, for iPhones particularly. So stay tuned as rumors develop. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with Samsung, the fact that we've already got a teaser. The Unpacked event for the what we assume to be Galaxy Note 9 is going to happen on August 9th. We have been covering so many rumors of the Galaxy Note 9. We've seen renders in 3D where apparently the camera is going to continue being horizontal, where we get the fingerprint scanner where it's supposed to be, and it follows a lot of the design language of the Galaxy S9. But after that, there is really no other difference with the Galaxy Note 9, with the addition of the S Pen, the fact that it probably brings a, larger battery if that's going to happen. Whatever the case may be, I mean, we've seen so many great phones this year. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Galaxy Note 9. Are you looking forward to this Unpacked event? We will definitely be participating at the event in New York City. We will be covering it live. Stay tuned, but leave us a comment down below. I'm looking forward to it. How about you? Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You're going to watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here, and our thoughts on the camera of the Huawei P20 Pro down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.